tight abs.
How far? Or?
Up, all the way up.
Oh,
Keep
okay.
going. So get it up and down. Good. Up and down. Good. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Keep that lower ab tight. Make the lower ab pull the legs up. Good. Breathe. Breathe. Good. All the way up. Breathe out, breathe in. Good. Breathe out, breathe in. Keep going. Good. Stomach is tight. Now, open the legs into the V. Same thing. Up, together. Up, together. Up, together. Up, together. Good. Up, together. Keep the legs straight. Keep the toes pointed. Good. It's like a chair kick, but without coming through.
Oh my God.
Go, go, go. Down, together. So lower.
Oh my God.
Val, when you go down, make sure the legs are together. You go down right before you, just like a lower leg lift. Now come up and open.
Oh.
Back down together. Close. Back
Okay.
open and you come up. Down. Good. Open. Together. Down. Open.
Oh.
Together. Down. Keep it tight.
Thoracic.
Breathe. Good. Tight abs. Keep the abs tight. Make the lower abs pull you up. Five more. Push. Go, Joyce. 5. Tight abs. 4. Good. Squeeze. 3. 2. Good. 1 more. Now, hold it. Don't go all the way down. Feet together. Hold. Lower. Right where you feel it. Come on. Get it up. Hold right there. Breathe. 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 Suck it in. Good. 5. Almost there. 4. Lower. 3. Tight abs. Come on, Joyce. Breathe. Go. Breathe. Up. 2. And 1. Take it down.